Hi everyone, welcome to Sita's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an all-time favorite recipe of mine called Aavakaaya. And this recipe is my mom's, and so thank you, Mom. And the recipe is extremely simple to make. For 1 cup of diced mango pieces, you would take the rest of the ingredients are 2 times. Okay, as simple as that. Ava in Telugu means mustard, so this whole thing is made out of mustard. Plus kaya means mango. So let's get started. So as you can see, these are the ingredients. I've taken 2 cups of diced raw mango. Make sure the mango is thoroughly dry before dicing. 4 tablespoons, heaped tablespoons of mustard powder. 4 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. 4 tablespoons of salt. 4 tablespoons of red chili powder. For color, I've taken Kashmiri chili powder. 4 ounces of sesame oil. Some folk use peanut oil as well, but I prefer sesame oil. And I've also taken a whole pod of peeled garlic, and this is optional. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to take the mangoes, put them in a bowl, and start mixing all the rest of the ingredients. As I said, it's as simple as that. Pour everything in here one by one. I'm going to leave the garlic aside for a little while, and then the oil. So this is how it looks like, and you start mixing it. And once it's mixed, you're going to leave it like this for a couple of days, and then it's ready to be eaten. And if you think this is too thick, you can add a bit more of oil, but this is perfect consistency. Now, don't forget to add your garlic pods. I've added half of them here, and I'm giving it a thorough mix. Voila, you have your avocado. I've made actually a couple of weeks back, and let me show you the same thing, how it looks like. See this? Look at the difference. This is the raw one that I just made, and this is the one, and it does taste good. And how do I eat it? Let me show you. I took some rice, added some avocado to it, and I'm going to mix it. I had added a bit of ghee also. So I mixed everything, and that's it. And with hot rice, it actually looks very good. Hmm. Hmm. Really good. Enjoy. I just want to show you one more recipe. The one we just made was a salty one, right? I mean, it's a spice and salt. But we can also make another one out of palm jaggery so that this pickle is going to be sweet. And it's again one of my favorite recipes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half of this pickle. And in this pickle, I'm going to mix this jaggery powder. And again, 1:2. That means 1 cup to 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. And this is called sweet mango pickle. So now you have a spicy pickle and a sweet pickle. Enjoy!